Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the noodles filter on Snapchat. So this is the effect. To get this effect, okay, let me remove this first. Okay, so to get this effect you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and you will see this pop-up on your Snapchat. Tap on unlock for 48 hours. And there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Snapchat. And if you want to use this video in TikTok or in Instagram, you can do that. Just record a video here, save it to your camera roll and use it wherever you want. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.